Hello dear traders, you are watching Economic Calendar prepared for you by InstaForex TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. At the beginning of upcoming week, the following macroeconomic reports will be revealed. On Tuesday, Australia will publish its inflation data for the first quarter. It is expected that the consumer price index would have risen by 0.7% on quarter. In the final quarter of 2017, Australia's inflation rate remained subdued despite a surge in the prices of fuel and fresh fruit and vegetables. Headline inflation moved up by 0.6% on quarter and by 1.9% over the year, slightly below market expectations. Over the year, core inflation rose by 1.9%, still under the central bank's target of 2–3%. On Tuesday, the US will report on consumer confidence in April. The Conference Board's index, according to experts, is expected to tick down to 125 points. In March, the Conference Board revealed weaker consumer confidence. The organization reported a positive result of 127.7 points, still below expectations following a downwardly revised data in the previous period. March figures reflected a fewer amount of responses, showing expectations for higher incomes, better business conditions and more available positions in the following 6 months. On Tuesday, the US will report on new home sales in March. Market forecasts the sales would have jumped to 629,000. In February, US new home sales dropped slightly, continuing a trend of choppy sideways movement for a narrow segment of the housing market. Purchases of newly built single-family homes, a relatively small slice of all US home sales, shrank by 0.6% from the prior month to 618,000. That was in line with expectations. Data on new home sales can be choppy from month to month. More broadly, sales rose by 0.5% through the 12 months ended in February. Also, at the beginning of the next week, business activity report will be out in Germany, the Eurozone and the US. These releases are due on Monday. On Tuesday, Germany will publish for business climate statistics. You have watched Economic Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Tahmina Нет. You have watched Economic Calendar on InstaForex TV channel. We wish you profitable deals. See you next week.